This is your real estate housing market review for the Shuswap Revelstoke area for March of 2026. We finished one quarter, and so this line right here is the averages and sums for the first quarter of 2026, and it's the blue figures here is the percentage change compared to the first quarter of 2025. So as you see, the average absorption for the first quarter of 2026 was 14.91%, and that is up 8.1% from the 13.8 that was the average after the first quarter of 2025. So that's a positive in the Shuswap Revelstoke area. Sales are actually down 13.3%. Inventory is down 6.8%. And so that's a significant figure, because what it means is the demand between supply and the difference between supply and demand is starting to increase. The demand is starting to increase over the incoming supply. So what that is doing is pushing down the inventory by 7%. Prices are up 7.6%. That's a bit of an anomaly. It's you really have to be careful when you say prices are up or prices are down, because it's very difficult. So especially in a small marketplace like Shuswap Revelstoke. So say there's two sales over say $2 million in that area, that's going to push the averages up. So you have to be careful what you're calling out about prices. If we look at the incidental months here, it shows the same trend as in the other areas of the interior and lower mainland. The absorption was 11.8% in January, 12.64% February, March is 14%. If we compare that to last year, 13.8, February is 14, 13% in March. So kind of a flat trajectory last year, kind of an increasing trajectory this year. So what that overall means is the Shuswap Revelstoke area is basically in a balanced market. It should be experiencing an increased market over last year. So increasing market statistics and metrics over in 2026 over 2025. That comes from the downward trend that we experienced quite a few months ago in interest rates is still seeping through the market. Plus, the market is starting to stabilize. The world is getting tired of looking at the negativity and putting their plans on hold. So people are starting to step off that fence, and which is driving some sales up in some of the areas. It's very, very early on. What in all the areas that we look at, whether or not this trend continues, that will be evident in the next couple of months when we do the stats. That's it for the Shuswap Revelstoke area for March of 2026.